Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an essential, life-changing truth. Failure is fine. This topic is not about giving up. This topic is about freeing your mind. It is about your confidence. It is about your growth. It is about how you handle mistakes, embarrassing moments, and tough setbacks. Many people spend their entire lives running away from failure. They fear making mistakes. They fear looking foolish. They fear judgment. And while they run, their potential remains completely hidden. A strong life does not begin when you succeed at everything. It begins when you realize that falling down is simply part of walking. You should not treat failure as a deadly enemy. You must be the person who tries anyway, the person who dares, the person who learns. When you accept that failure is fine, your life does not become free of pain, but your heart becomes brave. Mistakes do not disappear, but your fear of them shrinks. Fearing failure means saying, if I make a mistake, I am broken. Accepting failure means saying, I made a mistake, but I am learning. I stumbled, but I will get up. This is the power of a growth mindset. A growth mindset does not celebrate pain. It celebrates progress. While watching this video, you can practice your English listening with me. Listen slowly. Feel the meaning of the words. Repeat these powerful words with me. Failure, practice, resilience, courage, progress, mistake, growth, attempt, experience, and success. If this video helps you build confidence and learn English, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more lessons. Every person faces moments where things go wrong. We mispronounce words in English. We fail job interviews. We make bad investments. We ruin simple plans. Feeling disappointed is natural. Wanting to win is human. But the danger begins when you demand absolute perfection from yourself. Sometimes we say, if I cannot speak English fluently today, I will stay quiet. If I cannot do it perfectly, I will not try. And because we demand perfection, we do nothing. We hide. We stay stuck. Expecting to succeed without making mistakes is a heavy trap. You cannot learn to ride a bicycle without losing your balance. Imagine a small child learning to walk. The child falls 10 times, 20 times, 30 times. Does the child sit on the floor and say, "Walking is not for me, I failed"? No. The child stands up again and takes another step. Stop expecting immediate perfection. Give yourself permission to make mistakes. Many people think failure is a dead end, but failure is actually data. It is feedback. When a scientist runs an experiment and it does not work, the scientist does not cry. The scientist writes down the result and tries a different way. Failure shows you what does not work, so you can find what does work. Every mistake you make in life carries a hidden lesson. If you say an English word incorrectly and someone corrects you, you have not lost dignity. You have gained knowledge. Imagine a traveler walking through a dark forest. He takes a wrong turn and hits a dead-end wall. Does he sit down and give up? No. He turns around and takes the right path with a clearer map in his mind. The dead end was not a disaster. It was directions. Do not view your stumbles as permanent marks on your identity. View them as free lessons on your journey. When you always avoid difficult things to stay safe, your confidence stays weak. You rely on easy wins to feel smart. You rely on safe environments to feel secure. This is fragile confidence. And fragile confidence breaks at the first sign of trouble. Real confidence does not come from always winning. Real confidence comes from surviving failure and realizing you are still okay. When you make a mistake, survive the embarrassment, and try again, you build inner strength. Imagine two pieces of wood. The first piece of wood is dry and rigid. When a strong wind blows, it snaps in two. The second piece of wood is green and flexible. When the wind blows, it bends low to the ground. When the storm stops, it rises right back up. Be flexible. Allow yourself to bend, learn, and rise again. Your life is too precious to be spent hiding from mistakes. Stop waiting for guaranteed success before you take action. Stop worrying about what others think when you stumble. Look at your goals. Look at your daily habits. You grow every single time you attempt something hard. Stand up today. Embrace your mistakes as proof that you are trying. And remember that failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is the path to success. Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing your English, keep growing your mind, and I will see you in the next lesson.